Good day everyone. First off, what is internet? According to techterms.com, Ethernet is a standard way to connect computers on a network over a wired connection. It provides a simple interface for connecting multiple devices such as computers, routers, and switches.
In Ethernet, we have straight-through and crossover cables. Straight-through cables are used in connecting router to hub, connecting computer to switch, or connecting LAN port to switch/computer. While crossover cables are used in connecting a computer to a computer, connecting router to router, or connecting switch to switch. We will show you how to make those two, but we need to prepare the material first. A crimping tool, RJ45, a Cat5 or Cat6.
In order to start, we have to know the color coding first. There are two sides of the cable. In straight through, the color coding for both sides is green-white, green, orange-white, blue, blue-white, orange, brown, and brown-white. In crossover, both sides have different color coding. Orange-white, orange, green-white, blue, blue-white, green, brown-white, brown on the other side. Green-white, green, orange-white, blue, blue-white, orange, brown-white, brown.
How to make a straight-through Ethernet cable. Strip the cable jacket about 1.5 inch down from the end. Untwist the wire pairs and neatly align them in the T568P orientation. Cut the wires as straight as possible, about 0.5 inch above the end of the jacket. Carefully insert the wires all the way into the RJ45. Push the connector inside the crimping tool and squeeze the crimper all the way down. How to make a crossover Ethernet cable. For crossover cables, simply make one end of the cable a T568A and the other end a T568B.
That's the end of our video. Thank you for watching.